Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you the available options to add hyperlinks to different elements of your Getresponse landing page. If you don't yet have a Getresponse account, make sure to check the link in the description below. You can use it to create a free forever Getresponse account with 30 days access to all Getresponse premium features. Now let's get started. Many elements in Getresponse landing pages support the option of adding hyperlinks. For example, we can add hyperlinks to text, images, or buttons. To add a hyperlink to an element, simply double-click on that element and click this hyperlink icon. After that, we can choose one of 5 different types of hyperlinks from the following list. The web address hyperlink is mainly used to redirect the visitor to another online page. Here we can enter the link URL, title, and choose whether the web page opens in a new window or the same one. Then we have the phone option. We can use it to allow the visitor to make a phone call directly from the landing page to a specific number. Here we can type the phone number and then give a title to the hyperlink. Next is the email option. It opens up a new email window using the visitor's default mail application. It will be redirected towards any email we add into this field. We can also add the subject line for that email in this field and also give a title to the hyperlink from here. Then we have the section option. It can be used to redirect the visitor to one of the sections inside our landing page without much scrolling, and to make it easier for the visitor to access that part, like a call to action button or a sign-up form, for example. And the last type of hyperlinks is the webinar option. It can be used to redirect the visitor to one of the active webinars on your Getresponse account. This link will directly take visitors to the registration page of the selected webinar. We can give the link a title from here, choose the webinar from this list, and choose whether to open the link in the same window or a new one. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check the playlists in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use Getresponse. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.